Admission item number 1. Yes, admission item number 1, WPC 1105 of 2020.
Weekly challa. Amara ऐसे 5 पढ़े ला हमर list.
More or less, this has become infructuous. This is the opening of temple after this COVID.
None appears for the petitioner. Dispersal not possible.
Item number 2.
Same is also infructuous, I think.
All right. None appears for the petitioner.
Disputing relating to 2019 and 20.
Item number 3.
I am on a virtual mode. My read petition number 10914 of 2021 was dismissed on for non-prosecution on 6 January 2022.
So are you ready to argue the main petition?
Main petition, Lordship may direct to dispose of my annexure 2 series pending before opposite party number 2.
Where is that original petition? Yes.
This is regarding lease of a Brahmani sand soil source in Mauza, Durgapur.
So there's nothing to show that these representations were in fact delivered?
It is delivered.
How do we know?
It is delivered. I have sent on the registered post. If your Lordship will fix a date, I will show the register. Lordship may dispose of a direction to the collector, opposite party number 2, to look into the matter.
No, but unless we are clear that you have actually delivered the representation, we cannot, sir.
Release of river Brahmani, that is a wide-scale devastation.
All that is fine, sir. But you have to show us that you have actually submitted the representation. What happens is you simply get signatures of villagers. Probably they don't even know what they are signing. Many of these villagers cannot understand what that English is you have written on top.
Lordship,
you're presuming you drafted this representation and a whole set of villagers have signed below this.
I have.
You come to page 20, sir.
20.
Do you think any of those villagers would have understand?
Representation to Kaushal Russell.
Sir, do you believe that any of these villagers have understood what is written in English on top?
With due respect and humble submission, we beg to state that the Brahmani sand soil source in Mauza, Durgapur.
No. You're not following. I think you're asking the question.
Whether the applicants understood the contents of the representation. It is in English language. The vernacular.
The 21 representation, Lordship, kindly dispose of 21. Page 21.
He doesn't. I think he's not in the habit of answering questions. Only is in the habit of making submission.
The applicants have put their signatures in Orissa. Some of the applicants, whether they have understood the contents of the representation. That is what my lord is inferring about.
You say, for the reason stated that application is allowed, the order dated 6 January 2022 is recalled. And repetition civil PIL number 10914/2020 is stored in the file. And in the PIL, counsel for the petitioner states that the villagers have complained against the illegal sand mining taking place on the river banks of River Brahmani, on the banks of River Brahmani at Durgapur, Mauza. However, the counsel petitioner was unable to point out to the court proof of the representations having been actually submitted to the Tahsildar Rasulpur or the Collector Jajpur or the Member Secretary State Environment Impact Assessment Authority. Consequently, the court is unable to issue directions to the above authorities for considering the representations. Paragraph. Nevertheless, it will be open to the petitioners to make fresh representations to the authorities concerned and after following up on such representations to seek appropriate remedies as are available to them in accordance with law. The petition is disposed of.
Item number 4.
May I please your honors. The petitioner in this rate petition has challenged notice under section 148 of the IT Act under annexure 3 page 19 for the assessment year 14-15 notice issued dated 31st March 2021 minor.
Also, it's covered. This is covered.
He's actually he's saying it is within 6 years and permission taken by PCID Bhubaneswar and this page 19.
Yes, sir.
Yes, your lordship held that after 4 if this permission was not taken from the principal commissioner.
This is DCIT.
PCID, Principal Commission Income Tax.
No.
He has taken permission. Yes.
I see. PCIT.
Yes.
My lord, in this case, my lord, what happens, my lord? This year has already been assessed under section 143(3) of the IT Act.
It's all right.
Against-
You follow GK and drive charts. That whole route.
My lord, against that
Yes,
order,
already
my lord,
appeared
we
by
have
the
filed appeal.
next
My
page.
lord. In appeal, it has been allowed in favor of the assessee. Then the
Okay.
department go to the tribunal, and
Ah.
tribunal has upheld the order of the first appellate authority.
Huh.
Then the department has not go to the High Court against the tribunal order, my lord.
All
So
right.
it come to a finality. Then
Sorry?
it there, my lord. Then it come to a finality for that assessment year.
No.
Assessment.
147 is only for that. What are you saying?
No. My lord, thereafter, the department so much issue 263. So much revision powers invoked by the commissioner under section 263. And in 263, they have also passed an order. And against that order, the petitioner has already paid the amount, whatever the order has been passed. Then and there, after passing of the order under 143(3), after lapse of 4 years, then 148 notice has been issued. Very same issue has already been diluted in 143(3), my lord. Then and there issue 148. So that is a change of
Anyway, you can always file a reply. They might close it also.
Yes, file, annexure 5.
I have already filed the reply.
You'll have to be direct at
authority.
So let them consider that. Sir.
Yes.
The petition's
Annexure 5,
reply
madam.
dated 30th December 2021 shall be examined by the Assistant Commissioner,
Deputy
Deputy
Commissioner.
Commissioner of Income Tax, Circle 1(1), Bhubaneswar, and a reply be sent to the and the decision thereon be sent to the petitioner there, not later than 7th March 2022.
My lord, only small prayer,
If
my lord.
adverse to him, the petitioner can seek appropriate remedies thereagainst in accordance with law.
My lord, only my small prayer, my lord. Your lordships has already been passed order under page 17, annex C of my paper book. Similar matter has been decided by the Honorable Court, stating that 148 cannot be acted upon. Let this decision they have
Let change of
to
opinion.
decided.
Let it change of opinion. and
Obviously, in
next step
143,
assessment.
everything has
Let him
been
examine
allowed
what
this one.
That was a subsequent stage, sir. That was at a subsequent stage. All right.
Orders item number 5.
For petition number 2, I have appeared. I have also submitted a written submission on 4th February, and that may be taken into file and I have appeared for petition number 2.
Have you paid 50,000?
My lord?
That has been paid. That has been paid and receipt has been filed in the Supreme Court as well as in this Honorable Court.
All right. All right.
Yes, they have paid it.
All right. So what is the note, sir? What is the submission?
Note of submission, there is only one point, whether under UC Act 10, under section 10(5) or 10(6), notice has been duly served and possession has been taken or not.
My
That
lord,
is the only
no,
point.
my lord, may kindly see what is the scope and ambit of this remand order of the Honorable Court. Your lordship may kindly see para 5 of the Honorable Apex Court's order. On only on 2 points, the matter was remanded.
Yes.
The order of this Honorable Court was quashed by the Honorable Supreme Court.
Correct.
And after passing the order only on 2 points,
Yes.
that first point is your lordship will give a finding that whether the possession has been taken over by the Tahsildar on that particular date and what is the material supplied by the government to that effect. Number two, and the second writ petition, whether it is maintainable, even if there is an order that if it is permissible, then that if permissible, whether it can waive out the rigors of law in restricting filing of a second writ petition, which is barred by res judicata. These 2 points will be examined after all these matters which they have raised in the written note of submission, as if the matter is again hard de novo. There is no, the scope is very limited. The only thing, and in this regard, I would only like to draw your lordship's kind attention to my counter affidavit at page 73.
Before this. This is 23rd November 2021.
Counter affidavit at page 87. My counter affidavit.
This wrote of this. So 9.
Has your lordship got it?
What?
My counter affidavit, page 87. This is the letter of the Tahsildar to the special officer competent authority under the Land Ceiling Act,
Right.
that the possession has been taken over on a particular date, and date has been mentioned. This particular letter was not considered by the Honorable High Court in the previous judgment. That is why it was remanded again for hearing.
Right.
And that is
On this, they have nothing to say.
my lord.
On this, they have nothing to say.
No, this is a government document. I have filed it along with my counter affidavit, and this shows that on a particular date, that is on 4th May 88, 2nd April 1988, the possession of the excess surplus land has been taken over by the Tahsildar.
Or
And if it is taken over, then the Repeal Act will be enforced and Repeal Act will be applicable to him. That is the finding of the Honorable Apex Court.
or you say
Tahsildar has no role.
Under ULC Act.
Under the ULC Act, only competent authority can take possession, not the Tahsildar.
No. Tahsildar will take the possession and inform it to the competent authority regarding taking over possession. And he is a part of the revenue authority.
No, that is not there. 10(6) may kindly be seen. ULC Act, my lord. It says only if any person refuses or fails to comply with the order made under section by the competent authority. Only the competent authority.
Who is the competent authority?
Competent authority is he who has been appointed by the state government, who has been notified, not the Tahsildar or collector. Ten 6 clearly says so. Therefore, in this case, my lord, there is no possession taken.
how can they say that, sir?
This is and your lordship will appreciate this land is at Badambadi, which is heart of Cuttack town. And it's ceiling surplus land. It is already used by the government, and it is recorded in the name of the government since long. After this land is taken over.
And it's a vacant land.
My lord?
It's a vacant land.
Yes. No. Now it is already government is using that land. He is saying that possession has not been taken over. I am still occupying this, and I am having vegetable. I am doing vegetable crops, vegetable business, and these are all the things which they are taken their plea. But question is on document I have produced before your lordship along with my counter affidavit that possession has been taken over on a particular date, and that is not disputed. This document cannot be denied by them. Now they are questioning the authority of the Tahsildar, and now Tahsildar is a part of this Urban Agglomeration Act, and his competent authority is also empowered is to authorize the Tahsildar to take over possession, because Tahsildar is the field authority.
My lord, under the ULC Act, Tahsildar has no role or power. Tahsildar may be a part of the revenue, but not under the ULC Act. Therefore, the taking of possession by the Tahsildar, if any, is not the possession taken in accordance with the law.
Maybe, but as per the direction of the Honorable Apex Court, only thing your lordship is to see that whether possession is with the petitioner or with the state government. Now this document is clear to the effect that possession has been taken over by us. So not now, it is 1988, that is for 34 years back. And it is a government land recorded as such. Now you are claiming that a big chunk of land in Cuttack town that I will be taking this and I will claim compensation. This is unusual.
2006, only they have changed the record.
That is,
2006.
record is changed since 1988, not now.
No,
No, this record has been prepared only in 2006. Your Lord, I have given the copy of the record.
record.
And the
In
second
the-
point which your lordship will also take care of, that by the order of the Honorable Access Court, whether the second writ petition, which first writ petition was dismissed, only the wording is if permissible. Whether he can take advantage of that if permissible and file a second writ petition. That is also the direction of the Honorable Apex Court to take a call on this particular issue by this Honorable.
Any objection?
Not the same thing as granting liberty.
No, liberty is not. It is if permissible. That is why your lordship will find Supreme Court has written it in bold letter, if permissible. If permissible, there is no liberty. If permissible in law, but my resolution is that it is not permissible in law.
You have not raised this. You have not raised any objection to this. You have taken part. Matter has been heard. Matter has been decided.
My humble submission for petition number 2 is that this honorable court will see my notes, page 7. Who has given possession and to whom they have given possession. In the letter will show that it is only document which has been handed over, not the possession. But the honorable Apex Court stated that whether sections 10.5 and 10.6 complied or not. That is the sole question to be taken into consideration. I am placing my notes. My notes for petitioner number 2.
That
When will you submit this note?
The letter is something else. My learned
No,
senior should see
no,
the page
the letter-
87 of my counter affidavit.
No.
Here it is clearly stated that after sketch map is the land was demarcated, a sketch map was prepared, then only the possession was taken over by the that name is GC Patnaik, the and in presence of additional Tahsildar. Everything has been done in accordance with the law. And possession has been taken over since 1988.
My lord, my humble submission would be that the Apex Court has remitted back to this case to this honorable court, specifically stating whether possession has been taken after complying section 10.5 and 10.6. If it has not been complied, there is no possession taken. That is what the Apex Court has held. So my humble submission that I have filed a note. My lord will see that it is filed on 4th February and the note is
You have a
there.
copy, Mr. Vanti, you have a copy of that note?
Yes, sir.
Just give us.
Yes.
What my learned senior is saying, that is, there is no such direction of the kindly see para 5 of this. It is clear. Only your lordship is to see that whether any material is available to show that possession has been taken over. What he is saying in this is Supreme Honorable Apex Court's order.
No, this is a judgment, sir. Note, he's talking of a note.
Oh, note. Note is, that is not, note is there.
So we'll reserve orders, you submit that note.
Yes.
Orders reserved.
No, my lord, I may be hard for a minute. In my note, I have cited all the decisions,
All right.
whether it is a documentary possession or in fact possession was taken.
So you have to send us a copy of that note. We do not have that note. So we're reserving orders. You better send it.
हमें भी नोट दीचू.
My note may kindly be seen.
You better send it, sir. Then we can see.
I have already filed.
It is not with us. It is your responsibility to make sure it reaches us. All right.
My lord, I have filed that note and I have obtained receipt from the Honorable High Court on
It will
4th
be placed. It will be placed before the
on
Honorable
4th.
Court and then order will be passed. Don't worry.
might not be called for.
If it is with us, we will deal with it. Order is reserved.
Order
On
is-
on 4th February, I filed my note along with all decisions.
Yeah.
Item number 6.
May I please your lordship? My lord, in this case, no instruction.
Counsel, the petitioner says yes.
We have given also the.
Item number 7.
My lord, the petitioners are the villagers in the district of Balesar affected in the devastated Fani cyclone. And my lord, the list of beneficiaries are sent by the video. The villagers' name are not included, though they are affected. Their representation is annexed to my lord, page 19, which is still pending, my lord.
And that to show, sir. This 19.
My lord.
All right. Petitioner's representation dated 19. What is the date of the representation?
22/9/2020.
22nd May 2020. Be considered by the opposite
party number 2, my lord.
2, that is collector Baleshwar. And after hearing the petitioners, these orders should be passed thereon not later than 9th May 2022. The copy of this order should be produced before the collector by the petitioners not later than 21st February 2022 for appropriate action. The court clarifies it is not expressed any view in the matter. The petition is disposed of in the above terms.
Item number 8.
May I please your lordship? This matter is squarely covered by an earlier order passed by this honorable court. I have annexed that order by annexure 7 at page 16.
Sir, what is this? Why is this coming for a division bench? Why is this before a division bench?
It was regulation.
No. Is this judiciary or something?
He was appointed as a sweeper come night watchman in the court of the special
No,
judge.
why is it before a division bench, sir?
Judicial. Because it is judicial officer, judicial matter, court matter, court employees.
Who's for the other side? You are from
Miss Patnaik is there.
all right. Notice, Ms. Patnaik accepts notice. Reply we filed within 8 weeks. Result of the next. List after 12 weeks.
Item number 9. Item number 9.
This is also no.
None appears dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item number 10.
None appears dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item 11.
Your lordship, may I audible?
Yes, please.
My lordship, the petitioner is a social worker and the inhabitant of the state panchayat, and he has filed this writ PIL regarding the misappropriation of public fund. Regarding
You go to the Lokayut, sir.
My lord.
You go to the Lokayut. Counsel, the petitioner seeks leave to withdraw this petition to approach the Lokayut in accordance with law. Disposed of his withdrawn with liberty spirit.
Item 12.
I prefer matter may kindly be taken up next week, Minister.
No, lots of defects, sir.
Sir, in the meantime, I will depend.
Counsel for the petitioner assures the court that defects will be cured within 1 week. List thereafter.
Item 13. Item number 13.
None appears dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item number 14.
Please, my lord.
Copy of the writ petition is
Copy that is NS.
So many defects,
You
sir.
are not the opposite party. National has already filed the counter. National High, my lord. National High is the state also National High also. My lord,
Too many defects, sir. 5 defects. Defects we removed within a week. List thereafter.
Item 15.
Same.
Lordship, may I be pardoned? I am for in item number 13, Miller. Lordship, I may be pardoned. I am appearing in item 13, and due to some internet problem.
All right, 1 minute. Item 15, same thing. Yes, 13, tell us. Tell us, sir.
13, Miller, I have made the twofold prayer but I am not placing now the prayer number 1, my lord. That has been become infructuous. But in respect of prayer number 2,
You'll have to make a
that,
representation
I am
first,
placing
sir.
that.
No, you have to first make a representation. That's why defect has been pointed out. You have to make a representation first.
Lordship.
Counsel, the petitioner seeks leave to presses only prayer number 2 and seeks leave to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to first make a representation in that regard, and after following up the representation to seek appropriate remedies in accordance with law.
I
beg to
Post
pardon, my
also
lord.
withdrawn with liberty is prayed for.
I beg to pardon, my lord. Due to internet slow internet connection, item 2, my lord.
We'll call it out, sir. We'll call it out.
Item 16.
16, my lord, there are no instructions.
Answer the petitioner states yes, no instructions. Dismiss is not possible.
Item 17.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, the petitioners are the villagers below, and their grievance petition is pending before the OP number 2, annexure 8, my lord.
What is there to show this annexure 8 was delivered to him?
Yes, my lord, delivered, and it is the reminder notice, my lord, remind letter, my lord.
No. Where is the proof that this was all delivered?
My lord, the villagers are by presence delivered the letter, my lord.
No. There must be some acknowledgement. There must
Let
be
it
some
come next week.
acknowledgement on some paper that they have received this.
Yes, my lord. Let it come next week, my lord. I will obtain instruction regarding this, my lord.
No. We're not adjourning like this. If you have any proof, you better produce it after lunch. We'll pass it over. Or you make a fresh representation. It's up to you.
Your lordship may grant leave to make a fresh application.
Counsel for the petitioner seeks you to withdraw this petition with liberty to make fresh representations to the authorities, and after following up on such representation to seek appropriate remedies in accordance with law. The court clarifies it has not expressed any view in the matter. Disposed of is withdrawn with liberty is paid for in the above case.
Oh, bless me.
Item number 18. Item number 18.
We'll come back after lunch. That he's mentioning some matter, you find out.
Item number 2.
2 or
That-
something cheap.
Item number 2, passed on.
My lord, become infructuous, my lord.
Counsel petitioner states the petition has been rendered defective.
Now, item number 18. Item number 18.
None appears. Dismissed on number section.
Item 19.
I will permit item number 19, two defects are there, 1 week time may be granted to
All
remove.
right. Counsel for petitioner states he'll remove defects within 1 week. Yes, thereafter.
Item number 20.
None appears. Dismissed on number section.
Item number 21.
Item 21, my lord. The petitioner challenge Annex 6, my lord.
So there are defects. There are defects.
Yes.
Defects be removed within 1 week. Yes, there are.
Item 22. Item number 22.
None appears. Dismissed. No.
Item 23.
My lord, may I please, my lord? In this case, my lord, this is a public interest litigation, my lord, regarding the
Two defects, sir.
two defects, that is copy has been served, my lord. Copy.
The copy didn't serve to the Union of India.
No, no, you remove the
Okay,
defects.
yes, my lord,
Defects
one.
be removed within 1 week. So list thereafter.
Item 24.
May I please, my lord? Well, it's the grazing ground of the locality.
Defects, sir. Defects. There are 4 defects. My lord.
There are 4 defects to be removed by you. There are defects, 4 numbers of defects are there, you have to remove it. Kindly remove it.
You've not understood. I think. Have you understood what we have told you?
My lord?
There are 4 numbers of defects, kindly remove it.
I will remove it. 1 week time, I will remove.
Yeah. Defects be removed within 1 week. List thereafter.
Item 25.
25 may I please, my lord. I am on virtual mode, my lord. This is a public interest litigation, my lord, regarding early completion of the work of the national highway, my lord. The grievance of the petitioner, my lord, your lordship on to page.
So there is a defect pointed out, sir.
Only defect, my lord, some news clippings, Odia news clippings have been filed, my lord.
Yes.
That be ignored by this honorable court, my lord.
No, no, no. You can't just file papers which are illegible
No.
and then say ignore them. You better remove the defects, sir.
Lord, those are to
Within a
be.
week, list thereafter.
Item 26.
26, my lord, the defect is regarding that certified copy we have filed for dispensing.
All right.
This is regarding this transfer of matters to the commercial court in arbitration. It
Ah,
is,
the same order.
But my lord, that date was fixed earlier to 31st of January. So if fresh date has to be fixed, and all the matters if can be attached subject to. So this is a fresh matter.
Fresh
My lord,
date.
the others notices were issued.
We'll keep it 31st March.
If your lordship will kindly. If a shorter date, if possible, subject to your lordship's.
I don't know, those matters
My
are.
lord, if your lordship will kindly permit me, my lords, I am also appearing with Mr. Nanda in this case.
Yes.
In this case, we are not challenging the virus as such. We are not challenging the virus of the Commercial Codes Act, the provisions of the Commercial Codes Act. The only difference, my lord, here is that section 3(3) of the Commercial Codes Act, if your lordship sees,
Why is it before this court?
section 3, subsection 3.
All right. No, so we'll give an earlier date then.
Yes, my lords.
Yes, my lord.
All right. This on 28th February.
My lord, I am appealing for the caveator below as the respondent number 4 below.
For the next time. All right.
Obliged.
For admission, item 27.
27, my lord, I may be permitted to withdraw, to file a fresh representation before the authority, my lord.
So this is, okay, counsel the petitioner seeks leave to withdraw the present petition with liberty to file a fresh representation if the cause of action survives.
My lord.
Disposed of is withdrawn with liberty.
Item 28.
None appears. Dismissal on prosecution.
Item 29.
None appears. Dismissal on prosecution.
Item number 30.
At item number 30, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the matter may kindly be taken up next week. Your Lordship, the copy of the writ petition has been misplaced, Your Lordship, at least 1 week, Your Lordship.
All right. At the request of counsel for the petitioner, list
I am appealing the other department, my lord.
on 17th March.
Obliged, Your
I am
Lordship.
appealing the
Grateful.
department.
Item 31.
None appears. Dismissal on prosecution.
Item 32.
32, my lords, if 4 extra copies have been served, the receipt is here upon the State Council that I have served on 10th December 2021.
Let's
And
say the matter is assigned to Justice Honorable Justice Jaswant Singh and Justice M.S. South Bench. Sorry, the matter is assigned to Division Bench comprising of Justice Jaswant Singh and Honorable Justice.
You list before the assigned bench. Right.
my lord, only one observation, this may be ignored. This defects, there's not defects. We have supplied 4 extra
It's already
copies.
said. If you have
So,
supplied
a specific date may be
defects,
fixed.
Defects are stated have been removed. List before the roster bench on 14th February.
Much obliged.
Item 33.
33. May I please, madam? 33 though?
33, sir.
33 though?
33.
Yes.
33.
May I please, madam?
May I submit one in item 33? I am not fully well. So can it be taken up next week?
All right. Mr. Mudali states that he's unwell. Mr. Mudali, learned AGA states he's unwell. We listed in April, 5th April.
Item number 34.
May I please, Your Lordship? Pursuant to Lordship direction, copy number 4, file counter in this case, or copy had not been served. Noting is there that they have already filed the counter. Pursuant to Lordship direction, or copy had not been served to me.
I'll be filing counter in the court now, and I'll be serving copy.
All right. Counter. The copy of the counter to be filed today be served on Mr. Budia. Rejoined to be filed with the next date. List for the roster bench.
Pardon, my lord, sir.
My lord, which date?
This is PIL. This is a PIL, is it?
Yes, madam.
Oh, I see. All right. List on 12th April.
On
12th April, sir.
12th April?
Yes.
Madam.
Pardon, my lord, sir. 33 minutes on which date? 33 minutes. Let's me fix your date.
5th April. 5th April. Item 35.
May I please, Your Lordship? I have in VC, Your Lordship. Your Lordship just now glanced to.
There are 3 matters. Item 35, there are 3 matters. In first matter, today I am filing the counter on behalf of the registry. And in the second matter, I have already filed. And in the third matter, I pray for some time to file
All
the
right.
counter.
In 27190 of 2021, Mr. Mudali states that he will be filing counter affidavit today. 20596, he states that he will file it within 4 weeks. Rejoined to be filed by the next day. List on 19th.
In the second case, copy of the counter he has not served on me. May I
In the
pray for
second
the
case,
copy?
counter be served on counsel of the petition.
Second.
All rejoined to be filed by the next day. 19th April.
My lord, I have kept it.
Item 19th April. Item 36.
May it please the Lordship.
That is, Lordship, see the last order.
Lordship, I think I am for the
10/21. I have already completed that order. I have filed the complaint affidavit.
Yes, I am for the petitioner. Mr. Satpathy, kindly wait. Let me place the matter. You are for the department and you also argue for the petitioner.
It's all right, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Well, sir, I convey my deep gratitude to your Lordships because of your Lordship's order dated 30th of October 2021. Your Lordship directed the PCIT to dispose of my representation. And the PCIT very fairly, in para 7, I have also given an affidavit along with this order that I have received this order.
Right.
Kindly see para 7 of the order,
Right.
dated 24th of January 2022.
Right.
Dear my lords, I have carefully considered the whole matter. It is the apprehension of the TRO that the change of title of ownership of property in favor of the petitioner and others is a deliberate design of the credit debtor, certificate debtor, sorry, to avoid payment of legitimate dues of revenue. However, further inquiry on the matter considering all related facts of the case is necessary to come to such a conclusion. Moreover, he should have obtained approval of the designated authority before proceeding to issue prohibitory orders, since the action of the TRO in issuing prohibitory orders is premature and needs a further investigation lawful procedure before such actions should be legally resorted to. The TRO is directed to leave the prohibitory order placed on the bank and pass necessity order in that behalf. So, my lords, it is
Yes,
very
in view of this order, we'll say no further directions are called.
yes, and Annexure 9(9)A, because my lords, in spite of the order of this of the
Yeah, that will no longer operate. We'll say that.
yes, yes. And Annexure 9(9)A to be quashed, my lord. These are the
All right, sir.
9(9)A.
I have filed a IA.
There is condemnation of delay.
Yes, 2 days extension.
All right. This IA is allowed for the reason stated therein. Then you say, pursuant to the order passed to this court on 30th October 2021, the principal, the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax 1, Bhubaneswar, has passed a reasoned order on 24th January 2022, in which inter alia, it is concluded in para 7 as under, reproduce the whole of para 7. In that view of the matter, and the letters at annexures 9 and 9A
yes,
of the writ petition stand quashed. The copy of this order will be sent to the branch managers, concerned branch managers of SBI and Axis Bank Limited for necessary action. The writ petition is disposed of.
The new document I already forwarded to postmaster.
Yes, yes. All right.
Deeply obliged.
All right.
37.
37, today I am filing the
Just
counter.
now received the counter. But the petitioner just now received the counter. I have not gone through it.
All right. Rejoinder to be filed by the next date, 20th April.
Item 38.
Item 38, my lord. Let it come next week, my lord. In the meantime, I will serve the extra copy of the writ petition.
All right. Defects be cured within a week.
The defect already removed, but the extra copy of the writ petition.
All right. All right. List on 23rd April.
For hearing item 39.
May I please, my lord. I pray that your lordship may kindly have a glance at order number 13 at page 20, dated 24/11/2021. 24/11/21. Even though the petitioner has been working as a senior stenographer, she has undertaken to be the junior stenographer in case of deployment or transfer. And I have also given
placed on the administrative side. What happened,
my lord?
Mr. Mudli, we had to place this on the administrative side. What happened?
No, he has not filed any affidavit whether he has in fact submitted the.
Yes, I have given. This is the. I have given my your kind of your result. I have given the district and sessions court's recommendation. My lord. I have given everything.
I will obtain instruction.
No. Sir, you have to make a fresh application saying that you are willing to giving up status of senior.
Yes, I have given on the basis of my representation. That is the letter, my lord. I have given the representation. Your lordship kindly have a glance. May I permitted to read, my lord. Submission of the application dated 13/11/2020 furnished by
the district and sessions judge Sambalpur has written to the registrar general of this court on 30th November 2021 itself. Mr. Madhuri states that he will seek instructions. Next Monday, sir. Based on 14.
Pardon, my lord, item 31 or not press permission granted to AP better application file in if so-called cause of action arises. Item 31. Non-appear.
I see. All right. Counsel, the petitioner seeks leave to withdraw this petition with liberty to file a better petition if any cause of action arises. This post of is withdrawn with the liberty of.
Obliged.